Good afternoon everyone. We will be starting with our topic, that is exercise 3.3 question number 6. For this question we need to understand what do you mean by parallel lines, what do you mean by intersecting line, what do you mean by perpendicular lines. There are three types of line that you will be discussing in this question. So what do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines are those lines which will never meet each other. They are straight lines and they will never meet each other at any point. Okay, so as you can see, these I have made these lines like this. So there will be equal distance in both the lines and we can extend this lines to infinity. हम कहीं पे भी इस लाइन को आगे जो है बढ़ा सकते हैं, इस साइड से भी एंड इस साइड से भी, एंड इवन एक्सटेंड करने के बाद में भी, बढ़ाने के बाद में भी, दे विल नॉट मीट ईच अदर. पैरेलल लाइंस जो है कभी भी एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करेंगी. सो दे आर कॉल्ड पैरेलल लाइंस. ओके, फॉर पैरेलल लाइंस एज यू कैन सी दैट इट कैन, I have given name AB and CD here. So how you will represent parallel lines? You can use the symbol AB is parallel to CD. We read this is parallel to. ये symbol को we read this is parallel to, where the symbol represent is parallel to. So AB is parallel to CD. Like this we will read this question. Okay, intersecting lines are those lines which will share only one point. They will cut each other only once. Okay, एक point पे ये cut करती हैं आके, or their share point we called it point of intersection. So we call this point as point of intersection. As you can see, these two lines are cutting each other at only one point. Okay, so now you have to come to perpendicular lines. When two lines meet or intersect at angle of 90 degree, as you know that you have already used the protractor, so you can measure this line whether they are cutting at 90 degree or not. Okay, if they are cutting at 90 degree, they are meeting at one point like intersecting line. But the thing is, the difference between intersecting and perpendicular is intersecting lines can meet each other at any point, at any angle, whereas perpendicular lines will always meet each other at 90 degree. They will always meet each other at 90 degree, always meet each other at 90 degree. Okay, like this. As you can see, these all are the perpendicular lines. So AB, as you can see that for parallel lines we have used this symbol. So for perpendicular lines also we are having this symbol, this straight line and then the sleeping line. Okay, AB perpendicular to CD, where the symbol, this symbol represent is perpendicular to. This is perpendicular to. You can read this symbol as is perpendicular to, like this. Okay, like this you can read this symbol. Okay, then afterwards what you will do is, how you will do this thing. Now perpendicular lines, I hope that you have understood parallel lines and intersecting lines. Now we will come to our question. As you can see, identify and write the types of line in each pair. So as you can see, there is same distance in both the lines. So we will write this one is parallel lines, this one is parallel lines. Okay, and here as you can see, these two lines are cutting each other and this is not cutting at 90 degrees. So this means that it is of intersecting line. This is intersecting line. Okay, now as you can see, this thing, this angle actually represent 90 degree and there are two lines, one line here, one line here, and this also is showing that I have told you this angle means 90 degree. So it means that we are talking about perpendicular line here. So this one is perpendicular line. Okay, so now this one, as if we increase, if we extend this line, as you can see, if I extend this line, you can see these two lines are meeting each other. So this means that we are talking about intersecting line here, intersecting lines. I hope that you have understood the concept. So you can do this parts by yourself. I'm giving you homework, we have already discussed in the class, so you can do it by yourself also. Okay, now next thing that I want to tell you that we are having exercise 3.4 here, but we will put a cross here as that we will leave this exercise for firstly we will complete our next chapters. If we will able to complete those chapters on time, then only we will do this exercise. Okay, then only we will do this exercise, or else we will leave this exercise. So you can leave this exercise now. Okay, now everyone, this part is your homework worksheet. Homework. This all worksheet is your homework. 3, 4. Okay, I think all these things that you can do it by yourself. So all these things, this worksheet is your homework, full worksheet. Okay, now come on chapter number 5 that we will be doing today. So here factors and multiples we will start. Jump start that you have to do. Several guests arrive for a music concert in your school. You are helping them find their seats. Some guests give you a tough time. Okay, so here your school is having a music concert in your school, and then you are helping them find their seats. Some guests give you a tough time. They are actually using riddles means puzzles. Okay, you have to solve this puzzles, and then you will be able to do this question. So solve these riddles and help them to find their seat. So the first question that I want to tell you: hi, I am Palak. My seat number is the second odd multiple of 9. Okay, my seat number is second multiple or odd multiple of 9. It is. Now firstly you will write the I want to tell you what do you mean by multiples. 9, 18, 27, 36, like this. Multiples are those number that actually means multiples means tables. Okay, so we have to write the name of the we have to write the table of 9 here.